rain likely this afternoon. This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station code 35 from New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard.
Are you serious?
Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday.
And you're already going to pick me up for that internet bullcrap once again? Come on, quit it.
They got the test.
Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area.
See if State College
Today,
likes to
cloudy. A chance of rain late this morning, then rain likely this afternoon. Areas of fog. Highs in the lower 50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%.
I'm going to put the fire alarm.
Tonight, rain.
Bring the fire alarm
Lows in the upper 40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
over here.
Gusts up to 20 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain near 100%. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Today, cloudy. A chance of rain late this morning, then rain